I know everyone is very hungry. I'm trying to keep this really simple and leaving everyone with a more positive note. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oops. Sorry, still me? Oh, okay. So I just want to look ahead, 2030. I mean, maybe I look a bit too ahead, but I just want to share some really straightforward trends that I can see. All right. So this is me. I'm a book author. I'm also an advisor to Bybit. I look after the partnerships with Red Bull. Yeah. So apart from all these things that I'm doing, I'm also an advisor to a Mongolian government. I do a lot of intergovernmental work, in the region. I also hold a PhD in productivity science. So just want to give you a bit of a background. So there's a big rapid growth right now. If you look at what this BCG mentioned in their report, they believe by 2030 asset tokenization will account for 10% of the global GDP. And I think this is kind of bullish. Then when I look at how mainstream adoption is like, just want to share some statistics while we look ahead into 2030. So crypto adoption is likely to accelerate further with the number of crypto users reaching 1 billion by 2030. Again, it's driven by retail, institutional players. Right now you can already see that happening. So the whole market size will reach about 11.7 billion by 2030, according to another third-party research. I think it again say that the future for cryptocurrency is really bright and is really positive. And then I do see that the core of a Web3 with all the decentralized web application, how the smart contract is going to work, and how the traditional finance guys right now at this current moment is looking at how they could adopt DeFi. That is actually something really positive again in my humble opinion. And these are also a few observations that I really like to share, but not in a more general way. These are some countries that I think we might get some surprises in 2024 with maybe China opening up more. Right now, I think they are more open with NFTs recently, and then India and Russia. These are the few countries that are really going to give us a big surprise in 2024. I hope to see more adoption because of such surprises. Again, looking ahead, by 2023-24, central banks will have digital currencies. So this means that whatever that we are trying to do right now, whether it's going to be crypto, not crypto, or money, or blockchain, I think these are things that are fairly interesting to see. And money in 2030, a future where DeFi and CBDC can work together. So this becomes a perfect combination if you look ahead at how money is going to be changed. Last but not least, my friends purposely changed this to a green background because I think Bitcoin equal to cash, and it fits very nicely to the current narrative that BCH is trying to present. And again, this is one of the quote that I have in my new book about NFT. Your new assets is in the digital world. Whether it's now going to be on NFT, whether now we are talking about Bitcoin Cash, I think all these things are digitized. Please do not see what we are doing is still small. We are all trying to build very hard. Last but not least, all these things are actually documented in my book that was written in 2018. So please don't buy the book. I think it has read out. But you can always find me. I'm still alive. We all make some good money, good journey. All of us that are here are still good players. And last but not least, I would love to share this BCH Reload just make sure, take a look at this. It could all happen, and thanks BCH, thanks Modal for inviting me. Let's go for dinner. Thanks.